Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject Physics.
Good afternoon, students. This is your physics class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the methods of flow of heat, that is conduction, convection and radiation. Today we are going to see about kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. You know that in summer we prefer light color clothes and cotton clothes, and in winter we usually wear dark color clothes. Why? Let us find out. Refer page number 43 in your science book, activity 4.10. See this picture. Take two containers or two tin cans. Paint the outer surface of one is black and another one is white. Pour equal amount of water in two containers and leave it in sunlight. After 2 or 3 hours, we find the temperature of water in each containers. Do you feel any temperature difference in this container? Yes, the water of black container is more hotter than white container because dark color, that is black color, absorb more heat that falls on them, and light color, that is white color, reflects most of the heat that falls on them. So we feel the temperature difference between in these two containers. So in this reason we prefer light color clothes in summer time and we prefer dark color clothes in winter time. So in the winter season we use woolen cloths. Why we use woolen cloths? Because wool is a poor conductor of heat. Moreover, there is air trapped in between the wool fibers. This air prevents the flow of heat from our body through the cold surroundings. So we feel warm. Okay, the chapter is over. Next, we write the book exercise. So book exercise. First one, fill in the blanks. A. The hotness of an object is determined by its dash. Temperature. The answer is temperature. B. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer. Answer is clinical thermometer. C. Temperature is measured in degree dash Celsius. D. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dash radiation. E. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. It transfers heat to its other end by the process of dash conduction. F. Cloths of dash colors absorb heat better than cloths of light colors. The answer is dark color. So, the next class we will write the question and answers in your physics note. So, be ready to write it.